welcome to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. I want to briefly share with you how I'm putting together some gingerbread cookies, right? So these gingerbread cookies, guys, are by great value. I've never cooked cookies from a box like this. So I was interested in trying this out and sharing it with you in case many of you out there, you co-bakers, have ever tried this brand. Okay, let me know how it turned out for you, if you've ever tried this brand. If you doctored it up in any way, share it with me and let me know, because I'm going straight from this box because this is not the normal way I do things, but I wanted to try this out. So success or fail, we'll see in the end. So anyway, we're going to get started on this video. So it requires 1 egg, room temperature. Okay, so that's what I'm putting in here, 1 egg, room temperature. So we're going to go ahead and crack that. This is going to be interesting, I believe. So yeah, we're going to put on some gloves here. It says I can either make some cutouts or I can, roll it into cookies. So I'm not doing cutouts. I just wanted something sweet. Every now and then I get a taste for something sweet, and I might just take a slice of it, or I might just take a cookie and give the rest of it away. As long as I satisfy that little taste bud, that little taste that everybody gets every now and then, I'm happy. Yeah, so anyway. All right, so then it says it requires 1 stick of butter here. So I got that, 1 stick of butter. So I'm gonna put that in here. I hope this turned out right. If it don't, guess what? No foul at all, because I'm following the instructions here. It's going to be interesting to see how this turns out. I just can't wait to see if it turns out like they say it's going to turn out. Yeah, so anywho, having said that, let's see. And then I'm supposed to just beat the egg and the butter together. Smells good. Yeah, some gingerbread cookie mix. So we'll see. Okay, this is about me. I'm normally making stuff from scratch, so hey, you know what I'm saying? Trust the process, so trust the process. All right, so we got all of that in there, and if you notice, I'm mixing it by hand. So okay, it looks like it's coming together. Looks like it's forming a dough there. I'll show it to y'all. Okay, so it's coming together. It's coming together. Gonna continue to mix this up here. Now it says it makes about 15 to 17 cookies. So I don't know. All right. Okay, I'll give you another shot of this. And that's what it looks like there. And take it out. And close up shot there, and that's it. That's the cookie dough right there. Okay, there's nothing left in there. All right, so we're gonna set that to the side. So now we have our pan, have our cookie dough. All right, I'm just gonna shake this like a big giant ball. Okay, I'm gonna set it to the side on the pan. Then we'll take my mixing spoon and take about this much of it. I would say about a tablespoon for each cookie. Okay, just like that. I'm just gonna roll it. Okay, and you can see a perfect little ball right there, right? Okay, so then I'm gonna place it in at the top, just like that, guys, all the way through. Okay, until we come to an end. I don't think I should press them out. Didn't say so, so I'm not going to. I'm just gonna place them on our sheet here. So I got 15 of them. Okay, take a little bit off of that one. And it's just this little fella right here. All right. Okay. So we're gonna pop these in the oven at 350. The box says 350 for, I think it said 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. We'll see. We'll see. And we'll be right back and I'll show you exactly what these cookies look like. Okay, once they come out of the oven. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, as promised, I said I would come back on and show you what these cookies look like. There you go. I'm impressed. For a box cookie, it looks pretty good. Now, let's taste them and see. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these little things here. All right. Okay. So, tastes pretty good. For a box cookie, it tastes pretty good. Taste the molasses. Soft in the center. Semi-crunchy around the edge. So, will taste good with milk, coffee, hot chocolate, and tea. So if I was to give it a grade, I have to give it an A- for a box cookie. I guess I give it the minus because I'm used to making things from scratch and not from a box. And I probably would have added an extra egg in there, a little more molasses to bring it out a little bit more, because I like things to pop. So other than that, it's a good cookie. So there you go. We have our cookies made from a box, molasses cookies, and they are pretty good. So that's all I got. Just wanted to bring you on and share with you how I put together this box style of molasses cookies. All right, so you all go out and have a great one. Be sure to like, share, and comment. Share, share, share. Share is caring. All right, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, that's all I got. Bye bye.